Brenda, oh my God, listen, I'm so excited. Listen, shut the fuck up, just listen to me. I'm going to buy detox water to lose weight. What do you mean, why? Because I'm bloated and I feel like a beluga whale who's pregnant with a rhinoceros, that's why. What do you mean they don't work? Brenda, no one would be selling it on Instagram if it didn't work. It's not like people are just putting these out there for money. Listen, Brenda, I've read all about them. I know exactly how they work. Basically, it's just like, it's like regular water. They put these basically these little genie wizards inside the water. Once the water hits your veins, it evaporates the fat out of your pores. Trust me, I know all about it. Hold on. I think someone's watching me. Brenda, oh my God, someone's watching me.
All right, you know what, let me just take this off. It's actually not even my hair. I got it at a sex shop in the West Village. Listen, if you found this video because you were searching for weight loss detox waters or detox teas or detox cleanses, please listen very closely. I'm gonna start off by saying this. If I see another ad for a detox water, detox cleanse, detox tea, detox pill, I'm going to punch myself right in the penis. I promise you. Listen, these things do not work. They are marketing scams, marketing nonsense. They do more harm than good. And by the way, if someone comes in the comment section, because I know they will, and they say something like, oh, really? So if their liver isn't functioning properly, you're gonna tell them to not take a detox? You know what I'm gonna tell someone whose liver isn't functioning properly? I'm gonna say, go to the fucking doctor. Don't go to someone on Instagram selling you diarrhea tea nonsense. If you wanna lose weight, getting these detox teas or waters or cleanses or pills are going to do more harm than good. They might make you lose weight very, very quickly, but you know what happens right after that? You gain it all back and then even more than you began with. And what's even more ridiculous and what the marketers really don't want you to know is that your body is equipped with literally everything you need to detox every single day. With your liver, with your kidneys, with your skin. Your body is designed to do this every single day. Getting a fucking overpriced detox water at your local GNC is not gonna help you lose weight or get healthier. It's going to drain your wallet, it's gonna make you piss out your asshole, and it's gonna develop a very bad relationship with food. Listen, if you're watching this video and you've made it this far, odds are I'm assuming you might wanna lose weight. And if you want to lose weight, you cannot do that long term. You cannot do it sustainably with an unhealthy relationship with food. And you cannot build a healthy relationship with food when you're buying detox and diarrhea teas from someone on Instagram. The only way to build a healthy relationship with food is to understand, first and foremost, no food is off limits. It's all about keeping your calories in check, making sure you're eating the right amount for your body to help you achieve your goals. If you don't know how many calories to eat, very simple calorie calculator is linked in the description. It's 100% free. It's here on YouTube. Even if you don't want to lose weight, please understand these detox cleanses, detox teas, detox waters, detox pills, detox everything. It's marketing nonsense. It doesn't work. It's gonna do more harm than good. Please share this with your friends, share this with your family, share this with your coworkers, people who need it. We need to stop fueling the fire. Eat high quality food, get enough sleep, exercise regularly. That's it. It's not sexy, it's not marketable, but it's the truth.